Give us a rundown, Greg.
I love this wood stove, man. Works good.
All right.
I don't know. Pretty rough out here. Oh, God. Well, it was a good day today. Had kind of flat light, but other than that, 10 below. No wind. Gotta love it. It's all good. Other than a sleeping bag deal. Did he forget to pack it or did he lose it? I don't know.
We're not sure about this. We're not sure what the plan is.
We can't say here.
First trip to the property?
Yeah.
All right.
You're not gonna believe this.
10 above.
Mike Schultz fucked this.
We're not gonna get to.
I think it's warming up out there.
We didn't get to 30 below.
I think the thermometer says 8 below.
Wait a second. Turn that camera on.
Hey Kev, what do you got going over there?
Ice for cocktails.
I milled the wood on my sawmill, and in no time at all, with the help of my wife and my daughter, and a friend that swung by for a beer. We had the floorboard and the walls banged out. Everything looked pretty good, ready for transport. Killian, my youngest daughter's had a hand in this project from the very, very beginning. It's been fun working with her on it. I hope she's learned a lot. I know she'll be able to sit and look back at it over the years and think of some really great times that she had with us. But if she didn't think they were fun, I got a little work out of her anyway, so really, the joke's kind of on her. Seems like the pile of logs never got any smaller on this project, but I had good help through it all. Billing was next to me almost every step of the way, and I really appreciate that. I don't know how many feet of logs total there are when I built this cabin, but I know I hand sanded and hand peeled every single foot of it. Looked beautiful. Proud of what we did, and I really, really appreciate the help that my family gave me. Couldn't have done it without them. Thanks a lot. We'll see you on the river.